Hi everybody, I'm Jameelah and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a quick salad recipe. It's broccoli salad and it's really quick and only has a few ingredients, and I also will be showing you the dressing for that salad as well. Let's get started with the ingredients. Here I have a pound of broccoli florets that have been chopped into bite-sized pieces. 1 cup of sunflower seeds, a half of a red onion that has been sliced thinly, and 3/4 cup of Thompson raisins that have been soaked and rehydrated a little bit until they're plump and juicy. So all we need to do is just put all of the ingredients into the bowl. Like I said, this is going to be very easy today. Alright, I'm just going to give that a mix with my hands. And while I'm mixing this up, what I'm doing is breaking up separating the pieces of the onion so that they are in little strips like this. Now, of course, if you don't like a lot of onion in your salad, you can use less onion. I love red onions, so I use a lot of onions in my salad. Okay, just making sure that all of the ingredients in the bowl are mixed pretty well. And also, like I said, then I'm separating the slices of onion into thin strips. And also, if you don't like your onion sliced that way, like I have said before in my videos, if you're going to make this recipe, you do it how you like it, and that way you'll enjoy it better. You could chop up the onion as fine or as big as you like, and put as much onion, as little or as much as you like as well. Okay, now that I have this all mixed up together, I'm just going to put this bowl aside, and then we're going to make the dressing. I am back to make the dressing for our broccoli salad, and the ingredients for the dressing is 1 1/4 cup of cashew soaked, 1 large zucchini chopped, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and this is 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. And in case the dressing is a little thick, I just have some filtered water here to thin out the dressing if I need to. Okay, so just to get started with the dressing, put in the liquids first. So the apple cider vinegar, the maple syrup, then I'm going to put in the zucchinis, and then the cashews. And to start, I'm just going to put in maybe a couple of tablespoons of water. And then, like I said, as I go along, I may need to add more water if the dressing is too thick. So we're just going to go ahead and give this a blend. Okay, the dressing has been blended until it's nice and smooth, and I will give you a look at the creaminess of the dressing. And again, as I had mentioned, the reason why I use zucchinis in soups or dressings is because it'll give you volume and creaminess without using a lot of nuts for the fat component. So if you want to cut the fat component in some of your creamy dressings or even soups, you can blend in 1 or 2 large zucchinis, and you'll get the volume without all of the extra added fat. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and give this a little taste here. The dressing is perfect. Now all we need to do is pour it over our salad. So here I have the salad. I'll just move the mix out of my way. And now we're just going to pour the dressing over our salad. Look how nice and creamy that is. Now I'm just going to grab my spoon and give this a good mix. Okay, I think I have the dressing pretty well incorporated into the salad. And we'll just go ahead and give this a little taste. It's really crunchy. So there you have it, my broccoli salad. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share with your family and friends. And also don't forget to subscribe for more videos each week. Until next time, bye.